In 1860, Ernest F. Ward asked the Illinois Conference to appoint him as a missionary to India. A year later, the General Missionary Board of the Free Methodist Church recently organized, actually appointed him as a missionary to India. He was there before he was appointed. Mission often runs ahead of organization. That same sort of thing is happening today. God has blessed the Free Methodist World Church in many ways. Today, rather than being in one country, we're in 75 countries. Today, 9 out of 10 of every Free Methodist is in some country other than the United States. Huge challenges face us in this time of change. And again, mission is running ahead of organization. Why the kind of changes that we are presenting right now in Free Methodist World Missions? First, we face the challenge of sending all whom God has called. In 1960, there were 200 career extended term missionaries for the Free Methodist Church. By year 2000, there were 75. Today, God is producing a new wave of Free Methodist World Missions missionaries. 64 new missionaries have been approved in the last 6 years. How can we send all of these and others whom God is calling? The second challenge is funding the vision for Free Methodist World Missions. These new missionaries have, of course, produced a great need for new funds. And being in 75 countries gives us great opportunity to invest in the world church. And yet, in the last 10 years, the percentage of local church income that has been given to the Free Methodist World Missions budget has decreased by 25% proportionately. How do we fund the vision? And the third challenge is inspiring vision and prayer. Modern technology has produced almost immediate communication. Travel, often inexpensive, has shrunk the world. Mass movements of immigrants have brought the world to our doorstep. And yet so often we do not feel a corresponding passion for the lost people who are near us or who are afar. Andrew Murray faced a similar challenge as he wrote the book, Reaching the World for Christ. He said the missionary problem is not a financial problem. The problem is how to inspire spiritual vitality equal to the expansion of the mission. The only hope, he said, is for Christians to obtain the more abundant life in Christ. That is our purpose.